Hi beauties all around the world. Welcome to Annie's Makeup Art. Today we are going for this gorgeous smoky eye, the red lip look using Huda Naughty Palette. And so stay with me and see how we achieve this look. By end of this video, I will share my thoughts, reviews, and opinion using all these products. So I have already prepped and primed my face and we are ready for foundation. So today we're using NARS Illuminizing Foundation in color Punjab Medium 1. We are going to apply this foundation with the brush. Today for concealer, I picked one of my Holy Grail concealer by Too Faced called Born This Way. So there are two reasons I like to apply this setting powder under my eyes: to avoid any eyeshadow fallout and also for setting my under eyes. I'm so excited because I'll be using Huda's Naughty Palette today and show you guys how to achieve a gorgeous and a stunning smoky warm undertone eye look. I'm going to start with this color named Juicy. I'm going to apply all over my crease line, actually a little over my crease line. Using color Naughty, I'm gonna try to give a little depth, like a smoky look right all over my eyelids. We are going to spice it up with using color Spice, and I'm going to blend it on my outer corner to give cat eye effect. To get that dewy, glowy look, I am going to use color Tantric. Few very gentle taps and just let this color sit on the middle of your eyelid. Flower Power is the right color to apply on your inner corners and also right below your eyebrows. Going to take the Naughty shade again and what I put on my outer corner, and I'm going to diffuse it all over my under eyes and just blend it together beautifully. So we are almost done with our eye shade, and I'm going to use Huda's eyeliner. And guys, this liquid eyeliner is out of this world. I'm going to use Marc Jacob lash primer to lift my lashes and also to give some volume. After that, I will finish up my eyes using Pat McGrath's Superstar Mascara. Yay, I'm so happy. My eyes look just perfect. Now that we are done with eyes, we are coming towards the face. I chose Charlotte Tilbury's Flawless Bronzer to bronze my cheeks and just to give the right amount of sun-kissed glow. Of course, no makeup is done without the beautiful blush. So today we picked NARS Orgasm blush color. Let's brighten things up. I chose Charlotte Tilbury's Superstar Highlighter for all my high points. Finishing up our look using Charlotte Tilbury's Setting Spray. Time for drama. To achieve this dramatic lip color, I chose Huda's Trophy Vibe. This color is just what I was looking for. Voila! We're all set with our makeup. Wasn't it so simple? So finally, my thoughts and opinion about using Huda's products, which is her Naughty palette, her eyeliner, and the lipstick. So her palette is gorgeous. Her formula is much better than other previous palettes, but I feel Huda play very safe and she stick to one color story, which is nude, mauve, all these tones. I want her to bring more colors and give us more different variety. So if you're Huda's diehard fan, yes, you will enjoy this palette, but there are better brands, better quality out there. So I feel Huda has a tough competition. She needs to get her game back and bring something new for us. Huda's dual-ended liquid and pencil eyeliner, Guys, this is out of this world. If you're looking for a deep black, smudge proof, and waterproof eyeliner in your collection, I would highly recommend it. Huda's matte liquid lipstick. What a vibrant color. Amazing, stunning. That's about it. Because it gave my lips such a chappy, dry look, and it did not sit properly on my lips. So I'm a little disappointed. I hope you guys had a great time getting ready with me today, because I did. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Love to see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.